everyone, Chef Patrick here from the Paradise Lagardère Dining Division, coming to you today with another recipe from our home to yours. Anybody want to take a guess what all these ingredients have in common? We've got blueberry, lemon juice, sugar, water, pectin, and mason jars. That's right, we're gonna make some blueberry jam today. So first I want to talk about the jars. We need to process the jars first, and what that means is we need to wash them and then we need to sanitize them. So they've already been washed, rinsed and dried, and now they're in simmering water. We're gonna let these go for about 10 minutes so that they're good and sanitary, so when we go for the canning process, we won't have any bad stuff in there. So I've got my blueberries. I'm gonna add lemon juice. I'm gonna add the water, and then we're gonna add the sugar and the pectin. What's real important here though, first, is to mix the pectin in with the sugar and mix that up real well. And this will prevent the pectin from clumping together. So I'm gonna pour that in, and we're gonna turn on the heat. So we're gonna bring this up to a simmer, let everything get to know each other and get to a nice consistency, and then we'll mash the berries down and get them in the jars. So as you can see, the blueberries are cooking. We've achieved a nice simmer here. It's starting to get nice and thick and glossy. I don't need mine super smooth, but I do like them a little bit mixed up, so I'm going to go ahead and buzz these now with the burr mixer. So we pureed the blueberries. They're nice and smooth now. So now it's time to get them in the jar. I totally recommend getting one of these funnel guys from Ball. It makes your life a lot easier. Definitely helps get the product into the jar and makes less of a mess. Jars are filled, now we need to get the lids on. So you always want to use a brand new lid, this way it's got a great seal on there. And put that on top, take our ring, I just use a couple fingers, just to gently hold it down. We want to make sure it's pushed down, and then hand tighten this guy until it's good. Now it's time to process. So I already got 3 in there, I'm going to put the last one into the water. You want to get the water up to a simmer. Be careful when you're putting this in. Obviously the water's hot, but because the jars are full now, it's going to displace the water. So you might need to remove some water depending on how many you're canning at a time. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. Jars have been processed, so we're pulling them out of the water now. It's important to put them on a wire rack, this way you get some nice air circulation around them. All you have to do is let these sit out room temperature, probably about 24 hours. At some point you're gonna hear a little, and that'll be the lid telling you know that you got a good seal on it. These are great for pancakes, biscuits, toast, anything you like to put jelly on, peanut butter and jelly, it's all good. Thanks again. Look forward to see you in the airports and cooking for you as well. Stay safe out there. Cheers.